Well, hello, I'm Scott Wright, the CEO for Angus Australia, and I know a lot of you in person, but there's a lot of you I haven't had a chance to meet yet. This week, I'm in Adelaide, and we're at the Gen Angus program, which is one of the great programs that Angus Australia runs throughout the year. I'm inviting you this month of June to come and meet me in person and to meet our President, Erica Halliday, or the relevant director for your part of the country. We've got 9 workshops around Australia where you'll be able to come along and give us feedback about how Angus Australia has performed in your mind, and then where you'd like to see the organisation go forward. All this information we're putting together with another member survey in August this year, and it'll be all brought together for the board to do a new 5-year strategic plan, which will then begin in 2023. So it's your chance to come along, meet us. Generally the format is come along, have a coffee, I'll tell you a little bit about the organisation, then you can have your say, and we're really there to listen, not to preach to anybody. And then have a bit of lunch with us and meet myself and some of the team. We've tried to organise these workshops around Australia in locations that are convenient to you. So they'll kick off next week in Armidale, then we'll move to Toowoomba in Queensland, we'll go to Bathurst, Albury, Keith in South Australia, Hamilton and Melbourne in Victoria, we'll go to Launceston in Tasmania, and then we'll be in Perth in Western Australia. Look forward to meeting all of you that I haven't met already through this month of June, and for our WA friends in early August. Thanks very much.